So today I wanted to introduce to you guys a new set of work in progress tutorials that I'm working on, and I just wanted to kind of look the part. So I got my nice biker jacket and sunglasses on. But anyways, as you can pretty well guess from the title, I'm going to be trying to create a wooden pedal-powered bicycle. It's going to be a lot cooler than that sounds, I promise you. And what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to create a nice, comfortable cruiser bike that'll be nice to ride. It'll be nice and eye-catching for people. So basically something that'll be a lot of fun. It'll be something I don't need to worry about gas for getting around on. And that's pretty much it. And what I'm trying to do visually is combine the look of a chopper motorcycle with the nice low-slung body and the long forks and that nice stretched look, and combining that with the styling and the look of like a street race car with the nice rims and nice paint and things like that, and just trying to combine those together to make one really cool piece of art that you can ride around in. And I know pedal power sounds a little bit backwards, but like I said, I'm really trying to part of the reason why I'm building this is to try and promote bicycling. I'm not really that heavy into biking myself, but this is an alternative for a lot of people that are close by to their workplace and stuff like that, just to bike to work. And people that have to get from place to place, not even just to work, but just to get around. It's a nice, cheap transportation method because you don't have to worry about gas. It helps you be a little healthier because you have more physical activity. So I think by creating this type of fun ride, where people want to get out and ride the bike, you're going to be promoting health and a greener world. So that's kind of the high-minded part of it. But basically I just want it to look cool, and I want to go out and ride it. So how I'm going to build this, I do not know. But just to give you an idea of what it looks like, it's going to look similar to this. You can see it's got like a nice fake gas tank. You can see the frame and the forks and everything like that. You can even see the headlight. So that's pretty much what it's going to look like, more or less. I'm going to try and make it even cooler than that sketch. But yeah, basically I'm going to make everything that I can out of wood, which is going to be, everything. Rims, custom rims I'm going to make out of wood. I'm going to make the gas tank out of wood. It's going to be a fake gas tank, obviously. So pretty much anything except for the gears and the chain, I'm going to try and make out of wood. And anything that I can't, I'll try and get metal pieces for. But basically, as much as possible, make it out of wood. And if you're asking why not make it out of metal, like they all are, I don't know how to weld, for one. That's kind of the big reason. I don't know how to weld. And I don't have the tools really to work with metal. But I do have the tools to work with wood. So, and I know kind of how wood works and how to, I think this is actually going to be a very feasible project. I don't think it'll just fall apart on me. Like some people I've talked to about this do think it will fall apart. So now you've got a little in-your-face motivation going. But that's pretty much it. It's going to be made out of wood because I don't know how to really make it out of metal. And this is kind of a renewable resource, again going back to the high-minded ideal of a greener world. So when it's all done, you can use it for firewood even, if it's not successful. And yeah, I'm even going to use recycled tire material for the tires themselves. I'm actually going to chop a couple tires up and make like a racing tire look to them. But yeah, so basically that's what it's going to look like. That's what I'm going to do, and I'm not sure how I'm going to do, so I'm going to be kind of stumbling along through the process, but I'm going to kind of show you the highlights of it and show you the progress I'm making as I go along. So this is the part of the video right now where I sit here and say, if you know what you're doing, or if you've ever built a bicycle out of wood or out of metal, regardless, give me a shout. If you feel like sharing some ideas or some pitfalls that I need to avoid. Or even if you know a little bit about the electronics for a bike, for headlights and stuff like that, because I'm really going to try and pimp it out a little bit. I'm going to add a speedometer, headlights, tail lights, underglow, braking systems. I'm basically going to try and make it as cool as possible like that. So any help in that aspect of it would be greatly appreciated. And even if you just have some, visual tidbits for me, thinking that, well, your design should really have this if you're trying to capture the chopper look, or, it'd be really cool to see this. If you have any suggestions like that, let me know. Any pitfalls I should avoid, let me know. So basically, if you can help me in any way, it would be greatly appreciated. Yeah, so it should be a lot of fun. It'll be cool if any of you guys want to build along with me, and hopefully we'll be able to share ideas from that angle. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, and I hope you enjoy the set of tutorials.